So, Mr. Henry, just tell me the few words, which one you know about Hindi language and Urdu.
Oh, for Hindi language, I know Saslega Paddy, Say. When we say mean good.
Yes, TK.
Yeah. TK. Or Malu.
Malum, yeah, do
Malu.
you know?
Yes, I know Malu.
Malum in Arabic also, like Mafi Malum, I don't know. Malum, yes, Ana Habbar, Ana Ma'lum.
Oh, okay. Then I can say Arabic. In Arabic, they say Salam Alaikum.
Yeah, wa alaikum assalam.
Same to Pakistan, they used to say Salam Alaikum.
Yes, yes,
They
yes.
reply Malaikum Salam.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Aywa.
Good. And we also have what we say, Aramse. That means slowly. Take everything that you are doing slowly. Aramse. Slowly.
So, nice talking to you, Mr. Henry. Have a great day ahead, inshallah. So, any message to public?
Oh, I want to tell my Habibi in the house, Ghana,
Okay.
they should come to UAE and enjoy a good life. That is what I want to tell them in Ghana. Habibi, please come to Dubai, okay?
Wow.
Come to Dubai.
Thank you so much, Mr. Henry.
You are welcome, boss.
See you later, inshallah. Bye-bye.
See you too. Bye.